Going everyone, so we officially hit 2,000 subscribers, which means I am launching the MCK for the 43X, 43, and 48. So that little giveaway is starting now. I cannot put a link in the description of this video. That violates YouTube's policies. Even though this is not a firearm, I don't know if this really categorizes under their acceptable things. So it's going to be done through Gleam, like my last big one where I did the G3 and the bug out bag and things like that. So I'm gonna use the same thing. So basically I've got my Instagram and some other social medias down below. The links will be on there. So you basically go down there, select one of those. If you should have probably one of those. So whatever one that you have, you go to it. I will have a post on each of those about the link that you go to and you enter it. So if you're familiar with like Classic Firearms, they do like a firearm giveaway, I think every week. So it's the same thing that they use. There'll be a way to enter several times. So you can enter by like checking out my channel, visiting my Instagram, visiting this, that, the other, and each of those give you an entry. And then whenever the deadline is, which I will set the deadline for, I guess, New Year. So on January 1st of 2021, I will do a video. I haven't decided if I'm going to do it live or not. I haven't really fiddled with the live stuff, so I don't really know how live works on YouTube. I've seen other people's live videos, but as far as, you know, airing a video, I haven't done it. But basically, so there will be a link in the social media, and then I will post a video on the 1st of January and say who the winner is. So subscribe to the channel, go down to one of those links and check it out, and good luck. I appreciate everybody that subscribed here, and we've gotten to 2,000 subscribers in less than a year. That's awesome. And that's what I got for you. So, and for that, I'll catch y'all later.